On Friday, May 24th, I took a guided tour from Avignon to the nearby Châteauneuf-du-Pape wine region. It's a small area located on hills, but with soil covered in river rocks that provide ideal drainage and retention of warmth at night. Our guide, Romain, was a fourth-level sommelier.
Second, the regulation. What does it mean? It means that when you buy a wine from an AOC in France...
Former riverbed here, Châteauneuf-du-Pape. More rocks than I've ever seen. Former riverbed, but that gives advantages of heat retention at night and drainage. And all the wineries up here are family owned. There's no factories running anything. That's why it costs money.
Yeah. Have you ever had a white Châteauneuf-du-Pape before?
No.
No.
Yeah? Very rare. We don't produce a lot. We produce 5% of white in Châteauneuf-du-Pape, so it doesn't mean we do not make it well. We make it very well. But
We visited Chateau de Vaidou, which dates back to 1767 and produces both red and white grapes. Next, we toured Domaine Pierre Uselgio and Thias, a renowned estate established in 1948 and now run by the next generation, Jean-Pierre and Thierry.
One contiguous land.
a domain is a winery that has a fragmented ownership, like here.
Was the last one was a domain?
What's a chateau?
It was a chateau, okay.
Yeah. So here they own land spread out on river rocks, sand, limestone. So they have land on every type of soil. The two main advantages is the different soil and aspect, and the other one is the guarantee of production. In 2022 we got a hailstorm that has very badly affected this area. Some of the winery, including Biotelegraph, they have 100% of the land in that area. They lost everything. This winery, they were affected on 2 plots. So they lost the production.
For lunch, we dined at Hostellerie Chateau de Pins Rochers, where their sommelier helped us choose the perfect wine. The third winery stop was Chateau Le Nertay, the oldest winery in the region, founded in the 1500s.
The Tulle-de-Villefranche family that established the vineyards, and for 300 years it's been run and managed by the same family. So for 300 years it was the Tulle-de-Villefranche family, and at the 19th century we've got the Phylloxera. The disease that I mentioned this morning, the little insect that has devastated the European vineyards. So, just right here, you have the oldest wine tank of Châteauneuf-du-Pape. We don't have anything older than that in the village. Here we have 3 different tanks. We have 3 tanks, that's where the fermentation was taking place in the past. And they were built with stone that was taken from the Roman amphitheater in Orange. So now you have a barrel. So you have 10, they work with at least 10 different coopers. To store wine, to blend.
So
There is epoxy lining
it's
inside.
just stone.
It's lined up now.
It's lined.
It was not in 1560.
This marked the final wine tour of my trip. While it was fascinating to learn about the different regions, by this point, the visit started to feel a bit repetitive. Each winery grows grapes, ferments them for a few weeks, and then ages them in oak barrels.